Hello everyone, welcome to Feng Shui Theory channel. I'm Master Paws, your trusty guide on a whimsical journey into the ancient wisdom of I-Ching, also known as the Book of Changes. Buckle up, because today we're about to uncover secrets older than my great-great-great-grandma's secret cookie recipe. This ancient Chinese divination text, one of the oldest Chinese classics, is like a wise old owl in a mystical forest. It's built on the interaction of yin and yang, fundamental principles of the universe in Chinese philosophy. The I-Ching's 64 hexagrams, each a combination of 6 lines that can be either broken or unbroken, symbolize different states of change and offer guidance that's as enlightening as a fortune cookie, but way more profound. Now, no need to put on a wizard's hat or rummage through your drawers for yarrow stalks and coins. With our handy-dandy I-Ching tool, you're just a click away from diving into the thrilling adventure of exploring the I-Ching. You'll want to think of a question for the I-Ching to ponder. Is it about love? Money? Whether to have pizza or sushi for dinner? Or life puzzlements like why socks always disappear in the laundry? The I-Ching may provide you the guide. Once we've got your hexagram, sit back and relax as we interpret the mystical symbols. We'll unveil the primary hexagram, your now snapshot, and the changed hexagram, your glimpse into the future, no time machine required. We'll present the original quotes of the hexagram and line, in Chinese, alongside their interpretation, and hey, if reading's not your thing, we've got an audio version too. Just pop in your earbuds, and let the I-Ching serenade you with ancient wisdom. Explore fengshui-theory.com today, and begin your journey to enrich your life and the lives of your loved ones through the wisdom of Feng Shui. And hey, don't forget to check the description for a special coupon code that might just add a little extra sparkle to your Feng Shui adventure. If you found value in this video, do leave a thumbs up by liking, sharing, and hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for joining our Feng Shui adventure today. Until next time, keep your spirits high and minds open. See you in the next video. Meow for now.